collective effort. Ano lang, more focus lang ako sa depensa sa Pilipinas namin sa in the halftime.
We have Coach and Eric Santoya. Coach D, congratulations for the win. Your thoughts about it.
Um, as expected, we knew that Ateneo is a new team, and yes, they're a young team, but they're very disciplined. So we just reminded the boys that we have to focus on the process, the details of our defense, and I thought and I felt that it was a per possession game. So that's how important every possession is for us. Um, we turned it into a defensive game, and it worked well for us.
What your thoughts about next performance?
Yeah, Rev really stepped up big for us. Aside from his tenacious defense, he carried the team on offense. You know, he had good looks, and he was able to penetrate the tough defense of Ateneo. Yeah, Matt got into foul trouble early in the game, so we had to take him out. But it did him good. Nag-relax siya, and he had the energy to lift us up in the second half. He provided a spark in the third quarter with his 3 point. At the same time, yung kanyang defense also really helped us a lot.
Coach, at 2-0 against the Euro, you so rapid break.
Of course, we're very happy. We're 2-0, but we cannot be contented. It's a long season. We still have to continue to improve as a team, and we're you know the next assignments for us will not be that easy.
Okay, then, ano man sa sa tiwala binibigay sa coach?
Um, Nagpapasalamat ako kay coach sa mga coaches na binigay nilang tiwala sa akin, and yun, ginawa ko lang yung role ko sa team, especially sa defense.
Kasal.
Kaya ko yung kung sino beat them season
Yeah, yeah. I think kailangan talagang pagandaan namin yung Lasal. Obviously, talagang they're very powerful in all positions. So, kailangan talaga we have to prepare well. It's good that we will have more time to prepare for them.
Kaya, nagiging natin ang sponsor din sa bakit na ganito ng Facebook ka pa. Ano balik sa parang yung energy mo ng high school, balik para sa
Yun nga, hindi ko hindi nawala yung ano ko, yung especially sa defense, yung pressure ko, dun ko nakuha yung kumpiyansa ko.